this loud. So how do we simulate how this volume level through really low volume systems, especially modern TVs which are very, very small speakers? So we use various processing effects. We've licensed a sort of distortion effect that's used in most music production to sort of create some of that distorted sound that's created by when a loud volume sound hits your ears, it sort of distorts within your ears before you actually get to hear it. And a lot of the sound you're hearing is sort of just air distortion and interacting with your ears. So we've created an effect that simulates that in the game. So the car should sound big and powerful and loud without it actually being loud. So this is all new for Forza 4. This is something that's not been done before.